going on, guys, and welcome back to the LS Swap. Today we're getting that engine out. So I ran into the problem where my bumper was in the way, and the reason being is this engine hoist, as long as it may look, my bumper still hit the jack. So I got my grill out, I got my bumper off, my valence, and now I'm going to work on removing this front radiator support. And I've got most of the bolts already out. I got all these 3 bolts out. It's kind of just sitting in there. As you can see, got my mount from down there. I'm gonna need new mounts because those are shot, which, yeah, you know, you're gonna run into this kind of thing whenever you're tearing into a car this old. But got a couple more bolts to take out. I'm probably gonna take this whole fender off. Probably that wheel well. Maybe this fender. I'm not entirely sure because I know I got a plug back there for my factory wire harness that I'm probably gonna have to mess with. So I'm probably gonna take this fender off as well, and this wheel well. But let me get this tore down and get the chain hooked back up and see if I can pull this motor out. Okay, here's where I'm at. I've got that fender off, this fender off, the front radiator support out. Radiator support is sitting over here, sitting right there. I got my passenger fender and my driver fender both off, sitting over here, and the wheel wells came with both fenders, so that made it easy. But I think now, because I already got the motor mounts down there unbolted, there's a through bolt that goes from the bottom straight through. I got those off, and I got the trans mount off, so I think I'm ready to hook the chain to it and hook it to the hoist and see if I can pull it out. So I'll set you guys up so you can watch that. motor's out, trans is out. It was a bit of a struggle. I kept catching, so what happened, you guys see me going back and forth a lot, so what happened was my transmission lines and this flange for the bell housing on the transmission kept catching on my exhaust flange. So I kept having to fight back and forth on that. Other than that, it's pretty easy. But motor's out, nothing left. Now it's time for the cleanup process. Got to get this set up and clean, then I'm gonna get it painted. But the engine and trans are now out. I also got to clean up my trans a bit because it's kind of nasty. But that's it. That's out. Huge step in the LS swap. Alright guys, I think I'm going to leave this video off here. Next video is going to be cleanup and get things set up for the new motor, which is sitting over there waiting to go in. So, as always guys, leave a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. When you're new to subscribe, make sure you click that bell notification. As always, have a good day. Thanks for watching.